Hello, everyone. I am very happy today. We are here to practice English together. Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly. Today is Fun Day, English Fun Day.
Hi, Emma. Hi, friends. I am also very happy. Yes, relax and enjoy. English can be easy and fun. Today, we will learn 5 phrases to keep a conversation going. These phrases help you talk more and not stop talking.
Yes, sometimes you talk and then, boom, silence. Everyone looks at each other like this. So today, we will help you. Let's start with the first phrase.
The first phrase is very simple and very useful. You can say, really. When someone is talking, you say really to show interest. It means you are listening and you want more.
Oh, really? See, I am using it already. For example, Daniel, tell me something. I am ready to listen. My ears are open.
Okay, I like to drink tea in the morning. It makes me feel calm and happy, and it helps me wake up.
Really? That's nice. See, everyone? The conversation continues. No silence, no fear, just English.
Great. Now let's learn the second phrase. This phrase is also very easy to use. You can say, that's interesting. It shows you like what the person is saying.
Yes, when you say, that's interesting, the other person feels happy and wants to talk more. People love it when you listen to them. I love it too.
Okay, Emma, let's practice together. I will say something simple. Listen carefully. I like to walk in the evening.
That's interesting. Walking is good for the body and the mind. Do you walk every day? Oh, I am talking a lot now.
Yes, very good, Emma. See, the conversation is growing. No stopping, no stress. English is smiling now.
Let me try now. I like watching funny videos at night. They make me laugh before sleep.
That's interesting. I also like funny videos. Sometimes I laugh too much and can't sleep.
Me too. Friends, did you see that? One small phrase keeps the conversation alive. English is fun when we practice together. Now let's learn the third phrase. This one is very powerful and very simple. You can say, tell me more. This phrase helps the conversation grow longer.
Yes, when you say, tell me more, the other person knows you're interested. They feel happy and start talking again. No silence, no fear.
Okay, Daniel, I want to practice. I will say something small. I like cooking at home. It is fun for me.
Oh, that's nice. Tell me more. What food do you like to cook? I'm getting hungry now.
I like cooking rice and chicken. I also like soup. When I cook, the house smells good. Everyone comes to the kitchen.
Wow, tell me more. Do you cook every day or only on special days?
Not every day. Sometimes I am tired, but on weekends I cook and smile. Cooking makes me happy.
That is great. Friends, can you hear it? Tell me more keeps the talk going. English is talking and talking.
Now let's learn the fourth phrase. This phrase is very friendly and very kind. You can say, I see. It means you understand the other person.
Yes, when you say, I see, the speaker feels relaxed and comfortable. It's like saying, I am with you. English becomes warm and friendly.
Okay, Daniel, let me talk first. Yesterday, I was very tired. I worked all day and then I slept early. My bed was very happy to see me.
I see. So you had a long day. Work can make us very tired. Your bed said, welcome home.
Yes, exactly. See how I see works? Emma understands me. The conversation feels good. Now it's my turn. I was late this morning. I missed the bus and walked to work. My legs were not happy.
I see. That sounds hard. Walking is good, but not when you are late. Your legs need a break.
Yes, poor legs. Friends, this phrase is very easy. Just 2 words. I see. But it keeps English moving. Now let's learn the 5th phrase. This phrase helps you join the conversation. You can say, I feel the same. It means you have the same feeling.
Yes, when you say, I feel the same, you connect with the other person. You are not alone in the conversation. English becomes friendly and close.
Okay, Daniel, say something first. I am listening with big ears again.
All right. I feel tired when it is very hot. I just want to sit and drink water. The sun is too strong sometimes.
I feel the same. When it's hot, I feel sleepy. I don't want to move at all. My fan is my best friend.
Haha, yes, the fan is a hero. See, friends? I feel the same makes us feel close. The conversation stays alive.
Let me try now. I feel happy when I hear music. Music makes my day better.
I feel the same. Music makes me smile too. Sometimes I sing, but not very well.
That's okay. Friends, this phrase is easy and strong. Use it when you agree or feel the same. English is dancing now.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing today. Let's remember the 5 phrases we learned together. They help you keep talking in English without stopping.
Yes, let's say them slowly again. Really? That's interesting. Tell me more. I see. I feel the same. Wow, 5 simple phrases, big English power.
Now you can talk more in English. No more scary silence. Just smile, listen, and use these phrases. English is your friend.
Friends, did you enjoy learning with us today? If you did, please like this video. It helps our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe so you can learn more English with us.
Yes, subscribe and join our English family. We make English easy, slow, and fun. More conversations are coming. You don't want to miss them.
Now we have a question for you. Which phrase do you like the most? Is it really or tell me more? Please write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your comments. Practice every day. Even small English is good English. Keep smiling and keep speaking.
Thank you for learning with us. Have a great day and happy English!